Welcome back everybody to Southside Boy Style. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your remaining oil life in your 2009 Chevy Impala. So the first thing that you have to do, you see this little icon right here. Let me see if I can get the camera in a little bit closer. So you see this little icon right here, okay? You press that one. You keep pressing it until you see come up for your oil life. You get your fuel range, average economy, all those stuff, average speed, whatsoever. Okay. You get it on the black screen. Then the little icon that shows this indicator, so now the screen's black. Now this might be flickering for you guys, it's just the camera that does that, it's not flickering for me. So then you press that, you see it says 56% oil life remaining. I'm hitting the second button right here, this one right here. Then you click the check mark right here. You see, you just hold in on the check mark. So what you do is you find remaining oil life and then you just hold in for 3 seconds on the check mark right here. And as you can see, I changed my oil, guys, and now I'm back to 99%. Okay, so let me step you through this again. So 99% oil life. You just hold in on the check mark for 3 seconds, keep in on it, and it resets it, and you're starting back from scratch again. So that's it for this little video. And yeah, I'm stretching it out a little bit longer so YouTube will actually accept it as a video, but I have no choice to do that. So you guys can give me a like, a subscribe, and you can also buy me a coffee if you want, because at the end of the day, it just helps you reset your oil life on your vehicle after you change your oil. So thanks a lot, guys. See you on the next one. Southside Boy Styles out.